Bullish Illuvium cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $194.10 and $422.71 by 2030. Market investigators accept ILV could reach $194.10 by 2025. Bearish Illuvium market cost expectation for 2022 is $34.51. Illuvium presentation. We will direct you through the present moment and long-haul cost expectations for Illuvium in this piece. From how ILV varies from other digital currencies in addressing most of the local blockchain difficulties to the Illuvium cost gauge for the accompanying 10 years up to the present, we will cover everything in this video. What is Illuvium? Illuvium is one of the freshest cryptogames to raise a ruckus around town. Yet financial backers are supported by its true capacity. Clients get the chance to investigate the science fiction planet Illuvium during the play to procure insight, where they might participate in battle with and accumulate NFT creatures. As they investigate various nations and battle down beasts known as Illuvials, players expect the job of a tracker. Clients might bring in cash in different ways, for example, through beating rivals in fights and winning competition prizes. Illuvium's interactivity highlights are very like those of X5000, a well-known digital money game where players likewise obtain unmistakable NFT creatures. Illuvium stands separated, however, due to its craving to make an AAA title or a top-of-the-line, top-quality game. To help it achieve this, there are essentially two parts. Players might investigate and draw in with a shocking 3D climate in Illuvium's open-world mode. As per the white paper, for certain players, the allure of the game will venture to every part of the globe and social affair Illuvial. This might be very productive, particularly in the event that a player is effective in catching areas of strength for something unprecedented. ILV, the Illuvium coin image, is the minds of the Illuvium crypto game. Players are compensated with this Illuvium digital money to continue to play and are urged to do as such. The Symbolics administration highlights, which let proprietors to partake in the game's advancement through the DAO, are another element empowering financial backers to hold their speculation. Illuvium is additionally venturing into the DeFi world. ILV marked by financial backers can yield ranch benefits before they might be taken out. However, these are locked for a year. Moreover, holders will actually want to pull out SILV computerized coins in their place rapidly. These are utilized in the game and might be utilized to purchase things. It is critical to comprehend that in light of the fact that SILV isn't recorded on a blockchain and can't be removed, it's anything but a digital money. Illuvium major investigation. Illuvium is an open-world investigation, NFT animal gatherer, an auto-battler game that will be delivered in 2022 for PC and Macintosh. It was made on the Ethereum blockchain. In a science fiction experience with a lot of designs, you might play for remunerations while you investigate the climate and accommodate your accident-landed team. Find the disastrous occasions that destroyed Illuvium by investigating 7 shocking extraterrestrial scenes. Illuvium specialized investigation. In view of verifiable information, there is an unbiased standpoint at Illuvium costs in the short run. Our specialized markers foresee that Illuvium's 200-day SMA will decrease temporarily. The transient 50-day SMA for Illuvium cost is likewise expected to be negative. Famous energy oscillator. The general strength file may decide if a cryptographic money is overbought or oversold. The ILV market is in an impartial situation for the present moment. Illuvium current cost. Illuvium is at present worth $43.13 USD. ILV has moved 4.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,091,161. Illuvium is presently positioned 249 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $75,724,002 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Illuvium to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Illuvium Value Forecast 2022. Illuvium, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ILV cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $73.31. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $68.42 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. ILV is supposed to have a base worth of $58.65. Illuvium Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Illuvium ILV cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ILV will before long outperform $122.18. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ILV's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ILV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $97.75 and a typical exchanging cost of $107.52. Illuvium Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $171.06 and ILV might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ILV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $156.39 and a low of $146.62 in 2024. Illuvium Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Illuvium effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the ILV coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ILV will be green in 2025. The ILV is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $219.93, with a base cost of $195.49 and a typical cost of $205.27. Illuvium Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ILV cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $254.14 by 2026, with a base cost of $244.37 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ILV has a most extreme value worth of $268.80. Illuvium Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $303.01. In the event that ILV figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $317.68. Neglecting to assemble the help ILV needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $293.24. Illuvium Value Expectation 2028. While ILV is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $342.11 and a yearly cost close above $366.55 in 2028. Illuvium Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Illuvium will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $390.98 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $415.42, averaging out at $400.76. Illuvium Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ILV cost in 2030 is projected to be $478.96 in case of a bull run, with a typical value